describes a change in the average conditions such as the temperature and rainfall in a region over a long period of time. It can also be changes in global temperatures and other characteristics of the atmosphere. Recently, the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP26 in Glasgow, Scotland served its purpose by highlighting the challenges the world faces and make resolutions. It was declared that the richer nations would cut down on emissions and finance less developing nations which are more affected by the impact of climate change. President Uhuru Kenyatta, who attended, is among leaders who have called on the world to help Africa in dealing with climate change. After the summit, countries have been expected to put in place tougher climate pledges. Scientists have advised tougher measures need to be put in place to avoid catastrophic climate change. In Kenya, the forest cover is at 7.2% and the government plans to boost it to 10% by ensuring that there is no deforestation. It then takes the effort of all in ensuring that we slow down global warming. In Kenya, there has been climate change of increasing droughts and floods, where the communities are forced to search for other settlement areas, hence displacement. It is better to invest in policies and measures that protect healthcare to children and those that address climate change to transition to cleaner energy. Kenya's economy is largely dependent on tourism and agriculture, both which are susceptible to climate change and extreme weather events. Reports from scientists board claim that the annual flow of water from the river passing through East Africa, such as the Nile, will decrease as a result of climate change. Increased drought and desertification is expected to cause scarcity of fresh water. The coastal communities are already experiencing challenges such as saltwater intrusion. All these impact on the marginal population in around 11,000 hectares who will be threatened by sea level rise of 30 centimeters. In ecosystems, Kenya's wildlife is expected to be affected in various ways as climate changes in temperature events and economic impacts. Agriculture and tourism, which are more important sectors in the economy, are highly vulnerable to effects of climate change. A drought between 2011 caused an estimated loss of around $12.1 billion in damage, while in 2018, about 500,000 people lost access to water. This factor caused by climate change affects human health. There is the risk of vector and waterborne diseases. 83 million people are also at a risk of malaria infection come 2070, a disease which is responsible for 5% of child deaths in Kenya. Kenya is working with partners to promote electric motor vehicles, forest conservation and drought mitigation. The National Environment Management Authority and Mineral Resources, the National Climate Change Activities Coordinating Committee and the Kenya Meteorological Department are major components in the government institutional framework attached to the day-to-day building of climate resilience. The time to talk about climate change is now.